What if I told you that one natural ingredient, costing less than 50 cents, can make your entire home smell better than any expensive candle, air freshener, or diffuser you've ever bought? What if this secret ingredient doesn't just mask odors, but actually purifies the air while creating the most inviting, luxurious scent imaginable? I discovered this by accident 3 months ago, and now every single person who enters my home comments on the smell. Stay with me to the end, because this will revolutionize how your home smells forever. The problem with artificial fresheners. Let's be honest about something. You've tried everything to make your home smell good. Plug in air fresheners that promise mountain breeze or ocean mist, scented candles that cost several dollars, automatic spray systems, diffusers with expensive essential oils. And what happens? Either they smell overwhelmingly artificial, giving you a headache, or they work for 10 minutes, and then you become noseblind to them, or they run out quickly, costing you a fortune to maintain. You're stuck in this expensive cycle, never quite achieving that naturally fresh, inviting smell that makes a house feel like a home. I was trapped in this exact problem. I'd spent thousands on various scenting solutions. My home smelled like a chemical factory trying to impersonate nature. Guests would politely say, "Oh, you use air fresheners," which is code for, "It smells artificial in here." I wanted my home to smell naturally amazing, the way you imagine a luxury spa or a boutique hotel smells, not fake floral, not synthetic vanilla, just genuinely pleasant and inviting. Then I stumbled upon something so simple, so natural, and so effective that I immediately threw away every artificial freshener I owned. And the ingredient? You probably have it in your kitchen right now. The secret ingredient revealed. The secret ingredient is cinnamon sticks. Yes, simple cinnamon sticks, but not used the way you think. Here's the method that changes everything. Take 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, place them in a small pot with 2 cups of water, add a few orange peels if you have them, and let it simmer on the lowest heat setting. Within minutes, your entire home fills with this warm, inviting, absolutely intoxicating natural scent. It smells like comfort, like home, like you've been baking something delicious all day. How to use it perfectly. Here's exactly how to implement this in your home. Buy a bag of cinnamon sticks. They cost maybe $2 or $3 and last for months. Use 3 to 4 sticks per simmer session. You can reuse the same sticks 2 to 3 times before they lose potency. Add water to your pot, add the cinnamon sticks, and add optional ingredients like orange peels, vanilla extract, whole cloves, or star anise for variation. So bring it to a boil, then reduce to the lowest simmer. The variations that keep it fresh. The beauty of this method is the endless variations. Cinnamon and orange peels create a warm, citrusy scent perfect for winter. Cinnamon and vanilla extract create a sweet bakery smell. Add whole cloves for a spicy depth. Add fresh rosemary for an herbal note. Add lemon peels for a brighter, fresher scent. You can customize the smell to match seasons, moods, or occasions. Every combination smells natural and incredible because you're working with real ingredients, not chemical approximations. Why this changes everything. Since discovering this method, my relationship with my home has genuinely changed. I love coming home now because it always smells inviting. I'm not embarrassed when unexpected guests arrive. I'm not constantly worried about odors from cooking or daily life. The simmering cinnamon neutralizes odors while adding this beautiful scent layer. And there's something deeply satisfying about knowing my home smells amazing through a natural method I control, not through expensive products filled with chemicals I can't pronounce. And that's it. The secret ingredient that makes your home smell incredible: simmering cinnamon sticks with water and optional add-ins. Natural, affordable, and more effective than any commercial product. If this just revealed how to make your home smell like a luxury hotel, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more natural home solutions. Share this with anyone who loves a good-smelling home. Comment what you're adding to your cinnamon simmer. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay natural, smell amazing, and enjoy a home that always feels welcoming.